In this video, I'll show you how to watch Facebook Reels on your phone. Reels are short videos that you can quickly scroll through to discover entertaining or interesting content. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, look for the Reels section on the main screen. You may see a Reels tab or a row of short videos near the top of your feed. Tap on any reel to start watching it. The video will begin playing automatically in full screen. To watch more videos, simply swipe up on the screen and the next reel will appear. You can continue swiping up to explore more videos from different creators. While watching a reel, you will see options on the screen such as like, comment, and share. You can tap the like button if you enjoy the video, or tap the comment icon to leave a comment. If you want to send the reel to a friend, tap the share button and choose how you want to share it. You can also tap on the creator's name to visit their profile and see more of their content. This makes it easy to discover new videos and creators on Facebook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.